Hey guys, this is Mike from vidTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at this GamePro LED gaming headset. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to take a look at this inexpensive, cheap headset that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, right? So if you watched my last vlog video, you saw that I kind of want to get back into cheap tech finds, right? And I've been needing a headset for my PlayStation 5, right? I've had the same headset for like the last couple years, and it's only has one ear and the actual like little piece for the microphone. And I was like, you know what? I think it's time to upgrade, right? You know, I definitely have been playing PlayStation a lot more. I've been playing more with my family and friends, and I've been streaming a lot more. So I was like, it's time to upgrade the headset. So let's see how good this cheap headset is. Again, guys, let's show you guys. It's compatible with PS4, PS5, Xbox, all series around, Nintendo Switch, and PC. So as you can see here on here, it does have a adapter, right, that allows you to connect via USB or headphone jack, right? Again, it does have LEDs here on the side. So keep in mind, when I went to the Dollar Tree also, that they had another headset. I picked this one because I thought it was cheaper, but it was actually the same price, and the other one actually looked a little bit better. But overall, the same price. I paid $7 plus tax, guys. Let's see if there's anything in the back here indicating anything more. It doesn't look like it. It just says the compatibility, which I really do love the compatibility, that it is, you know, compatible with, you know, PlayStation. It is wired, of course, right? This is not a wireless headset, guys. So let's go ahead and get the unboxing going here. Again, I do apologize for not posting any videos, but this would probably be my first unboxing of the new year, I believe. So shout out to everyone that continues to follow the channel, and definitely want to let you guys know that yes, I still continue to want to make videos. Again, it just depends on the funding and the financial situation. You guys already know that, you know, times are tough right now. So if I get companies that decide to sell me or send me stuff, then we'll do that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take this out of the box here, guys. So, and you see a lot of stuff like this, like at Five Below, and you know, I've always seen these at the Dollar Tree. I've just never wanted to purchase one because I've never really needed to. So the box is just a box, right? Here you go, guys. Nothing else really comes inside. I'm gonna put that aside, right? But here's the actual headset, guys. It does say GamePro on here, which I think is pretty funny. And this little again, the piece for the microphone, it is retractable, right? So you can, you know, put it like this. Again, let's take a look here at the connections right here to make sure that, so it looks like, aside the fact that they're all interchangeable, which I need to figure out. It really just depends. I know one can connect to a cell phone, and one can connect to, I guess, you know, your PC or whatever. But I do know that there is a difference between these plugs, right, as far as like the little lines go. So I just don't remember which is which. So don't hoard me on the comments, guys. Here's the USB connector, right? So we'll go ahead and probably plug it in to my PC over here, just to kind of gauge, like, you know, to see if we can get anything going. But let's go ahead and let me put this down really quick. And let me first of all unplug this. The only thing, again, I probably do dislike about it is the wire does look long. So I'm definitely, you know, it's going to be a hassle storing it depending on where I'm putting it. But let's see. Let's plug it into my PC. Let's see if it even picks it up as a microphone. So there you go. I'm really interested to see if this actually will work with like OBS or other softwares. But you know, again, it just really depends on your PC, I guess, and what you guys have connected to. But here it is. I plugged this in via USB. I don't know if you'll get the LEDs with just like plugging in the head or the millimeter jack down here, right? I have no clue. I doubt it's gonna get powered just based on that alone. Like, I think if you want the actual power, then you're gonna get that. I didn't get anything as far as like input when I plugged it into the USB. So I think the USB is just literally for the LEDs, and then the other two connections are actually for like the mic. But let's go ahead and put this on, and let's see how comfortable this is, guys. Okay, guys, so we do have the headset on, and right off the bat I can tell you that the headphones are very light, so it's not like, you know, annoying me as far as the weight of the actual headphones. This top portion is actually very soft. On the LEDs, there is nothing to kind of fix the actual like way that it changes colors, so it's just in a constant state of like, you know, just illuminating the different colors. And I'm okay with that because, you know, again, this is a $7 headset. It is somewhat noise canceling also because you know, even though these are $7, you know, they do cover the ear, right? So I am getting some sort of noise cancellation. I have plugged this in via USB, and I did plug in the headphone connector to my PC. So we are gonna test out the actual like headset really quick. So I'm gonna just play some music in the background really quick, and I'll give you guys some feedback. So let me go ahead. So we are listening to no copyright sound over here. So okay, so it does sound very clear, and like I said, I can hear you guys, or not hear me. I can hear myself, but barely. I'm sorry, not you guys, but myself. But I'm getting a lot of vocals on the song. Not so much as far as bass, but you know. Okay. So for $7, I mean, really, honestly, I'm getting some decent bass in here also. Wow. Okay. Okay. Hold on. Let me pause. You guys can see that I'm just pausing it in the background. So far, I'm not complaining whatsoever. I am going to jump on PlayStation in a few minutes, so I'm actually going to connect this, you know, and play a game with my nephew and see how that goes. See if he can hear me okay, right? I definitely need to kind of tweak around because again, I don't know which. I know there's another little connector. I don't know if that's the actual microphone connector. It does say it is the microphone connector. So my PlayStation 5 controller has a connector that I need to connect it to. But anyways, I guess I'll kind of try to demonstrate that really quick before we close out, guys. And maybe I'll try to, you know, show you guys how I'm going to connect it on my streaming setup, right? But for $7, guys, really definitely not that bad. I'm not complaining one bit. So again, you know, maybe I can see if I can find like some sort of affiliate thing that I can put in the description for you guys that you can get a headset for under $10. I mean, really, guys, it doesn't really cost a lot to be like a gamer and have nice things nowadays. I think really and realistically, it's just the brand. But I mean, if you look at the side there, like Game Pro, like I feel like a gamer pro when wearing this. And again, you know, it's really not, you know, again, the padding on the inside really not that bad. Right here also, as far as like the comfortableness of it, I feel like it's a decent material. I don't feel like it's gonna get ugly on you unless you're throwing it around. I mean, you can see that it is like, you know, embroidered or whatever you want to call it, you know, so it is like some sort of soft faux leather material over here. The only thing I really don't like is that, you know, again, I hate over the ear headphones sometimes because again, my ears get hot, you know, so I have to have like the AC or fan on me when, you know, playing or listening to music with with headphones like this. But overall, I'm liking it, guys. So again, we're gonna connect it to my streaming setup just to kind of show you guys, I guess, what it would look like if I were streaming live on TikTok. Okay, guys. So excuse the mess here. This is my streaming setup. There's my laptop. There's my TV. You guys may have seen this in the background, right? There's the famous 50-inch Roku TV that I did a video on almost 10 years ago, and that is my most viewed video. But anyways, guys, the reason what I wanted to show you guys is that I have this connected. So you do have to connect the USB and the actual little that little piece that I told you about, the one that connects to the microphone area for either your laptop or you know, whatever. to get this going, right? If you were plugging this in on your PlayStation, you would just plug it in on that little little hole port on the bottom. But anyways, I do want to show you guys that this or whatever, the audio does work on it. So I am over here on my TikTok studio, and you can see here that there is already input as far as me talking into the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3. So again, you can see that my other microphone, I have it muted. That's why it's red over here. I use this little JLab microphone over here when streaming on TikTok, right? Because I don't typically use a headset when playing, just because I like to hear the audio from my TV rather than from like the PC, etc. like that. So again, talking into this, testing, 1, 2, 3. And let me go to my audio source real quick so I can show you guys that it does work. You know, again, I'm gonna turn on the PlayStation and play with my nephew right now to kind of, I guess, gauge how it'll work. But right here again, guys, let's see if I can zoom in here really quick where the mouse pointer is. That is what I have plugged in. So usually the primary microphone that I use is the JLab one, right? But I did connect the microphone via the headphone jack down here on my laptop, and again, we are getting pretty decent audio. Again, I won't know how this sounds unless I record something, so that'll be, you know, it's something I have to ask my nephew when we're playing to see how the audio sounds. But I definitely wouldn't use something like this normally. Hold on, let's see if I can zoom back out over here. Normally, as far as like, you know, just playing like this. So again, guys, and whoa, okay, I didn't realize that the colors are a little bit different on here. But yeah, guys, I might go live on TikTok just to kind of experiment and play around with this. Maybe not tonight, but over the next couple of days, which will be what, Thursday and Friday, I might play and use this headset as my main microphone just to kind of, you know, see how it sounds for the TikTok and streaming community. But anyways, guys, just wanted to do this little quick video on this little Game Pro headset that I purchased at GameStop, or not GameStop, but I purchased at Dollar Tree for $7, guys. And I definitely want to continue to do more cheap tech finds like this for you, right? Whether it be like at, you know, Ross, Marshalls, or even 5 and below, right? There's a lot of places where you can get like nice pairs of headphones, and not just, you know, electronics, but you can find like video game accessories as well. So I might definitely start doing more content like that for you here on the channel, just because, again, the phone stuff for me is just not really doing that well anymore, and I just really don't know what to do with the channel anymore. So this would be an idea for me as far as, you know, new stuff that I could add to the channel. So again, guys, I'm going to go ahead and close this video out. Again, I really appreciate you guys checking out the video and, you know, checking out the channel. If you guys like what you guys see, smash the like button, comment down below if you guys, you know, tell me what your favorite thing about the video, or tell me if you have one of these yourself, right? Let me know how you like it. And again, guys, thanks again. We'll see you guys next time. Happy New Year.